channel. Today we are going to make egg drumsticks curry. For that we need boiled eggs, onions, drumsticks, tomatoes, green chillies. First you have to apply turmeric to the boiled eggs and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. While frying eggs you have to be careful. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying eggs, you have to remove the eggs and now you have to add the green chilies. And now you have to add the onions. After adding onions, you have to mix it well. And now you have to add half tablespoon of salt into it and mix it well. Now you have to add drumsticks into it, onions mixture, and mix it until the drumsticks become little bit soft. Frying 2 to 3 minutes, now you have to add ginger garlic paste. After going the raw smell of ginger garlic paste, now you have to add tomatoes and mix it well. And put a plate and we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After pieces becoming soft, now you have to add red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder into it and mix it well. After that you have to add a little bit of tamarind juice and a little bit of water into it and boil it for 2 minutes. After boiling, now you have to add eggs into it and boil it. After 5 minutes, you have to add garam masala into it. Now you have to add coriander leaves and mix the curry and boil it for 5 minutes. Egg drumsticks curry was ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.